এরকম একটা আমার কাছে ডেটা আছে। ডেটাটায় a month, financial year, retailer, brand, city, state, product code। এই যে প্রোডাক্ট কোডের এখানে কিন্তু প্রোডাক্টের কোনো রেফারেন্স নেই, এটা কি প্রোডাক্ট বা কি টাইপ অফ প্রোডাক্ট। এই প্রোডাক্ট কোডটা আবার আমি যদি এইখানে প্রোডাক্টস ডেটাবেসে যাই, সেখানে আমার প্রোডাক্ট কোড, প্রোডাক্ট নেম, প্রোডাক্ট গ্রুপ, কালার, সাইজ, এমআরপি, কস্ট ইত্যাদি রয়েছে। বোঝা গেল? এটা সেই আমার প্রাইমারি কি ফরেন কি এর মতন। এবার আমার এইখানে যদি আমি আবার এই ডেটাটায় দেখি, অরিজিনাল ডেটাটায় এখানে হয়তো সেলস পারসন নাম আছে, আমি যদি আইডি করে দিই তাহলে আবার আমার এখানে একটা এমপ্লয়ি মাস্টার থাকবে, সেইখানে গিয়ে আমি তাদের সব নাম ধাম পাবো, কে কোথায় থাকছে, কে কোথায় যাচ্ছে ইত্যাদি ইত্যাদি, তাই না? বেসড অন দ্য এমপ্লয়ি আইডি, রাইট? ঠিক আছে, আপাতত আমি এরকমই রাখছি, এই দুটোকে রাখছি। তো আমি কি করব, আমি একটা নতুন শিটে গেলাম, গিয়ে দেখলাম আমার 3টে ফাইল আছে, ঠিক আছে। তো আই গো টু data, get data. If I have separate files, that's also fine. If I have one workbook, that's also fine. So let's say I have this creating dashboard, so I'll close this. I'll go to from get data, from file, from Excel workbook. So I get all these sheets where the data is there. For example, this one has the name, finance. This is the original data that is there. If I want multiple files, I can click on them. This is the employee, like the employee master. I want this. Let's say I want this and I want this. So I want this, I want this, and I also want the products. So now I have got 3 tables, right? Data 1, employee master, product master. So far what we were doing is, two options were there. One was to append the query where we were adding one below another. Another is to merge the query. Merge query is, I will combine this data together, merge them together. Okay, I have data on multiple files, multiple sheets, which I'm going to merge together. That is my objective. And how will I merge? There has to be something common between the files, correct? Otherwise I can't merge. So we will try and find what is common between them. So I will say merge queries. Now I am on the data side. So I am on data 1. So I will select the table and matching columns to create a merge table. So for that, I come here and I will get the other sheets which are there. Let's say I want to merge with the products table. So I will get this. Let me trace back. I have this sheet. Then I go to merge queries. So my data is there. This is the main one on which I have clicked. I want to merge it with another sheet, another data. So from here, I know this product code is there. And in my product master, I also have product code. So I will choose products. So I will click on this and I will click on this. That means I am using that as my joining table, my primary key and my foreign key. Okay. I'll say okay. Now I get my merged queries. The last column is my products. That entire table is there. There's two arrowheads here. If I click on this, I see all the columns. I don't need all the columns. I have already got product code here. Maybe I need the product name. Maybe I need the product group. Maybe I need the MRP and the cost. Maybe I'm just. So my combined table has this. এটা Excel. Very good. Exactly. In VLOOKUP, what we were doing, we were always using one column and we could bring in only one, or if you use an array, you can bring in 2, 3. Right? But the main requirement was that the leading column should be my first column. Otherwise, we couldn't do it. There are other ways to do it, but you can't do it. This is one way in which you can do it in a faster way. I'm very glad that you found the link between the two. So basically, what here, because we were talking, we are looking at it for the first time, it is slow. Next time you know it, you will just do 3 clicks and you will get it. See how many steps are here? 1, 2, 3. That's it. And then you say close and load, and your data is merged. See, my data one has all the data. Product group, products, and products. Got it? Now, this is one where we did with 2 tables. You can also do a merging with multiple tables. More than 1 table. So let's call them tables for ease of our conversation. So if you are merging with more than 1 tables also, it is similar.